At Morven, I'm studying multiple ways we can engage plants, common agricultural grading practices, and monitoring and adaptive management techniques. This work is very much a personal outgrowth, for better or for worse, of who I am and where I come from. So I was raised in semi-rural central Kentucky. I am attempting to contribute something back to that legacy, the history of people who come from rural places and the ways in which we can be inventive and creative in the face of a new challenge. Most of the farmers that we have thought about, that we're engaging in the ideas surrounding nature-based infrastructure, are experiencing changes and transitions that are moving beyond the rate of change and also beyond the level of expectation. Because of the scale of nature-based infrastructure, it really mandates that we find a way of collecting information at a similar scale, both in time and over physical space. So out here at Morven, we have the opportunity to use things like drones, use things such as non-visible spectra sensors, use things such as LiDAR, which are all ways of studying the way that plants form, grow, and change at a scale of space that's not perceptible to the human eye, but is necessary in understanding the way that they function. And so we have out here the great privilege of using these tools on a regular basis to try out ways of propagating plants, installing them in the field, and coaxing forth their transformation.